Hello, my all dear teachers, parents, and my dear students. Today we are here to discuss about new information which is related to, especially for teachers. So you are watching a screen here in which one logo I have created here, which is Survey Heart app. You can easily download it from your Play Store. So why we are here to discuss about this Survey Heart app? Because as we all know, we are working from home nowadays in teaching line and in any type of work. So if you want to if you really want to do something for children, so you have to download this app. This is the pandemic situation in which we are working from home, and I have found this app, and this app is very good, I think, for children and as well as teachers also. So here you can create some quiz and some forms you can create if you want to do something for children. Just like I have created some quizzes here for children, how to create and how to do it in this app. You can see, if I touch this, already I have created this noun quiz. Then here you can see many options: quiz status and share, quiz answers. If you want to see the answers, you have to see all the answers one by one in summary form. You are watching here, all have given the answers. If you want to check the answers, just like that, one student I have selected here, so he got 5 out of 5 marks. So you can get marks also from children automatically in this app. So you have to create some questions, just like one question I have created, another name of the noun is, so what is the another name of the noun? That is called naming word. Same here, you can also create some questions for children, and it will be really enjoyable for children also. So in summary form also you can see all the answers. If you want to see individually, then you can see individually also here, and one by one you can see all the individual feedback from the children you get. Okay, and if you want to share this result to students, then you have to download it. So you can download in any type of PDF, just like Excel form, PDF form, CSV form. If I downloaded it open button, then you can easily see here. We don't have to do anything, only you have to share this PDF. In this PDF you are watching here, serial number, submit date, name, result, and your question which you have created for students. So this app is very good app, I think, for children. So how to create the question, let's have a talk about this also. And you can see all the answers. If you want to make a duplicate quiz like that, same quiz, then you have to select this duplicate quiz. If you want to see this view quiz, then you can see this view quiz, and it is asking about your name, but I have submitted earlier, so I am not able to touch this. So if you want to delete this quiz, if something is there missing and something is there, some mistake is there, then you can select this delete button also. And if you want to see the status all the time, then you have to select this quiz status active, and you can share it very easily. So how to create the quiz? This is the questions. You have to touch this plus button. After plus button, it will ask about the forms and quizzes. What do you want to do? Okay, so I want to do here one quiz. So you have to type the title here. Title means your quiz is related to what? Okay, so my quiz is related to, just like an example, if I take noun and description, who designed. So designed by, after that you can write your name. Okay, so it's time to they will enjoy very easily. And just like that, I am creating one question here, another name of noun. Okay, you have to add the option here, a person, naming word, calling word. So if I chose three options, you have to show the correct one, naming words, then required question also. After that your question has saved. Okay, so after that what will you have to do? You have to submit this button. So it is asking about some information here, some information just like welcome page. If you want to show your welcome page, what do you want to collect from your participants, just like name, email, number. So I have chosen here only name. Duration, if you want to set the duration time, just like if you have selected only 5 questions, then you can give 5 minutes. Just like I have selected here 1 question, so I want to give only 2 minutes for that. Okay, then done. Then show result. If you want to see the result also, so it will automatically saved in your mobile. Show question number. If you want to show a question number in series form, then you have to select this show question number also. After that you have to submit it. Then you have to see here one Twitter or somewhere else. Okay, I hope you like this app for children, and it will be really helpful. Okay, in during this time, if you want to do some questions related problem, if you want to create some revision, if you want to create some quiz, so anything you can do for children here very easily. I hope you like it. Goodbye.